Did you know you can earn free USDT on Bybit with just your smartphone without any stress? Bybit has an ongoing campaign with $30,000 USDT up for grabs, and every qualified participant could earn between $10 to over $1,000 in rewards. There are 4 smart ways to earn USDT on Bybit, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly to claim your share step by step, so make sure you don't miss out on this massive USDT opportunity. Before we dive in, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on powerful updates like this one. Tether or USDT is a stable cryptocurrency that is pegged to $1, meaning 1 USDT is always equal to $1. USDT is one of the most popular and widely used crypto assets that is used for trading, savings, and payments in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. And the best part, you can start earning USDT on Bybit today, no fancy skills needed. Here are 4 smart ways to earn USDT on Bybit. Staking. Earn passive income by staking USDT on Bybit Earn. Just lock it up and watch it grow daily. P2P merchant. Become a verified merchant and earn profit by buying and selling USDT on Bybit's P2P platform. It's secure and commission free. Trading. Use your USDT to trade spot and derivatives. With Bybit's low fees and fast execution, even small trades can bring in solid profits. Bybit campaigns. Bybit constantly rolls out reward programs, and right now the biggest one is the African USDT Bonanza. Bybit is giving away $30,000 USDT in their latest campaign, and all you have to do to be a part of this is to deposit, stake, refer, and earn. And now I'm about to practically show you how to be a part of this. First, make sure you register using my exclusive link below. Second, deposit and earn. Deposit and stake $100 USDT or more for at least 7 days and get 10 USDT airdrop. This is available exclusively for new users only. Third, use your unique Bybit referral link and invite new users. When they deposit at least 100 USDT and hold it for 7 days, you both will receive a 10 USDT airdrop. Fourth, trade to earn. Trade on Bybit to unlock even more USDT rewards. Rewards are based on trading volume and are first come first served until the $20,000 USDT runs out. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. It's that simple. Kindly note that this campaign is exclusively for Africans and new users on Bybit. If you don't have an account yet on Bybit, this is the perfect opportunity to get started. Ready to earn? Don't miss out on African USDT Bonanza. Click the link below to register on Bybit as well as this campaign and start earning today. Let's get this USDT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.